it's time for fun. Andrew's watching, quiet as can be, lying in the grass so peacefully. Hello little bunny, don't be shy. Let's count the clouds